So picture this, the bank wants to give you $192,000 cash, and they have been bugging you relentlessly to give you the cash. Would you take it? Is it a good idea? Let's find out. So this is the kind of situation you can find yourself in as a real estate investor, or a homeowner for that matter, when you're considering a cash out refinance. And for just meeting, my name is William Dauria. I am a real estate investor. I currently have a portfolio of single family homes, multifamily homes, commercial real estate properties, and I want to take you step by step in the decision to make a cash out refinance. Is it a good idea? What should I do with the money as a real estate investor? And most importantly, how can I make money on the bank's money and do this again? Okay, so I have a rental property and it just appraised for $280,000. Now, I owe currently on that property $9,900. Now I know what you guys are saying. Oh my gosh, why in the world would you do a cash out refi on a 30-year note when that property is going to be paid off in 1 year? And when it comes to real estate investing, what a lot of people don't understand is paying off the properties is not always the end goal. Now, for some real estate investors, it is the goal, but for me, it absolutely isn't. Matter of fact, I lose money by keeping all the money wrapped up in my properties. Let me explain. So this refinance they want to give me is for a fixed 30-year note, and the refi rate is currently the same as I'm actually paying right now. 3.5%. And for cash out refi on an investment property, 3.5% is really, really good. My current monthly payment is approximately $1,150. And after they hand me $192,000 cash, my new monthly payment will be $1,550. So in turn, $192,000 cash money. How high is that, by the way, in hundreds? That's about, I'm guessing, that's probably about here, all right? Let me know what you think in the comments. It's about a foot tall, $192,000 in cash. Okay, so $192,000 in cash will cost me $400 a month. Now think about that for a second. Where can you go get that kind of loan for $400 a month? Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Wait, hold on, stop. But you're doing it for 30 years. You're going to have lots of interest. You're going to have to pay a lot more down the road. And that's partially true. Somebody is going to have to pay that down the road, but it won't be me, because I am going to be purchasing with this money assets that will be in turn paying for all of my liabilities plus cash flow. You see, I like to make 1.3% per month on my money invested in my rental properties. So let me do the math. $190,000 times 1.3 is $2,470 per month. Now, my cost on this loan is $400. Do you see where the net value comes into play here? Now, of course, when you buy another rental property, there are going to be expenses. You're going to have your insurance, you're going to have your taxes, you're going to have a property management fee of 9 to 11%, most likely. I know I do. So you're going to have to factor a little bit of cost in there, but at $2,470, you're going to take the loan out of $400, and then let's just say we're going to take out an additional $500 a month for other related costs, okay? So that comes out to $1,570 a month that I am now cash flowing, that I wasn't able to cash flow because I didn't have that particular money. And not only is it cash flowing, but the property is also appreciating. I can use it for all the tax incentives, especially here in the United States, that we can take advantage of. And on top of that, the house that I bought, I'm gonna get it for under market value. So I got equity already built into the property, literally at closing. Could be 30, 40, 50. I made $60,000 this January, just on one property closing. It's insanity. And that money is parked in a safe investment, and I can pull that out at any point. But as long as I keep it in that investment vehicle, it'll pump out money. And then one day I can do a cash out refi on that property too. Because if you realized, that property is paid in full now, and the bank purchased it for me. So if I do another cash out refi, because I can't do one on the one I currently just did, it's got a lien on it now, but the property the bank just bought me is free and clear. See in the picture now? And this is just one of the tactics as real estate investors, what we would do with a cash out refi. It could have been on our personal house, it could have been our investment property, but when they give you that 12 inches of cash, instead of buying a really fancy pool, instead of updating your house, if you purchase an asset and let it pay for your liabilities, you, my friend, can buy anything that you've ever wanted. Once again, my name is William Dauria. This channel is all about entrepreneurs, self-aspiring entrepreneurs, real estate investors, and how to escape the 9-to-5 rat race and the plan that society has for us. Go to school, get a job, work until you're 65, and then hope to experience life at the end of life. That plan does not have to be your plan. Follow me if you like this kind of content. Consider liking and subscribing. Let me know in a comment below what you think about this, and until next time, see you then.